a roadshow to attract Indonesian companies to take part in the upcoming 6th China International Import Expo was held in Jakarta on Tuesday. More than 100 Indonesian business representatives attended the event, which was jointly organized by the CRIE Bureau and the National Exhibition and Convention Center, Shanghai.
So this platform actually provides Indonesian companies with valuable insights about the demands and requirements in the markets, and also enabling them to provide a better service and solution for the consumer needs, and also expand their business in this market. I think CIA can play an active role by enhancing the accessibility, providing a platform and also initiative for Indonesian companies to explore and meet their potential clients in Chinese market.
Lim said that her company, after participating in the CRIE for 5 consecutive years since 2018, has already signed up for the 6th CRIE.
我们这次推介会呢，邀请了将近50多家的企业，主要的目的就是我们要把那个进博会的这个信息非常清晰的、完整的去传到企业的耳朵里，让他们真正的知道进博会对他们企业走进中国，然后呢在中国发展并且成长关键的作用。
Ling said that more than 100 Indonesian enterprises participated in the previous 5 CRIEs, and he expected Indonesian enterprises to bring more quality products and services to Chinese consumers. The 6th CRIE will be held in Shanghai from November the 5th to 10th this year.